Prices for the big burly 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 have been revealed for the Indian market and start at 16,90,000 rupees for the standard version. Meanwhile, the Pan America 1250 Special is priced at 19,99,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. Bookings are open for the motorcycle, while deliveries are likely to begin from mid-May or early June this year. The Pan America 1250 is the brand's first ever adventure tourer. The motorcycle has been developed from the ground up and sports a new chassis, engine and a host of electronics. The highlight of the Pan America 1250 Special is the semi-active electronic suspension with the adaptive ride height feature. The color options are different on both motorcycle variants as well. The bike will compete against the Triumph Tiger 900, BMW R1250 GS, Honda Africa Twin and the likes. The all-new Mercedes-Benz EQS made its global debut earlier this month. Interestingly, the electric sedan has now been listed on the official website with the "Coming Soon" title. This suggests that it could be launched in the Indian market as early as this year itself. The model page listing has also revealed several key details and specifications of the electric vehicle for the Indian market. It will be the second all-electric model from the Stuttgart-based luxury car maker after the EQC electric SUV went on sale last year. As per the listing available on the website, the EQS will be available in two trims, EQS 450 Plus and the EQS 580 4MATIC. The EQS 450 Plus is the base variant with a single electric motor that produces 328 brake horsepower and 568 Nm of peak torque. The EQS 580 4MATIC gets all-wheel drive with dual electric motors, one on each axle, that produces a total of 516 brake horsepower and 855 Nm of peak torque. The EQS 580 can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.1 seconds. The EQS is the electric equivalent of the S-Class sedan and prices will be steep on the new offering. It's another exclusive from Car and Bike. The third generation Suzuki Hayabusa was launched in India earlier this month at a price of 16,40,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. And now, Suzuki Motorcycle India has confirmed to Car and Bike that the iconic superbike has been sold out in the country. The first batch comprising 101 units have been sold out barely 2 days after it went on sale. The company has already stopped taking bookings and says that it will resume bookings once the second batch comes in, which is due to arrive sometime later in 2021. Suzuki has also said that it will offer a complimentary rear seat cowl to all customers of the first batch as deliveries begin. The new Hayabusa gets comprehensive upgrades for the first time in 13 years. The bike now features improved aerodynamics as well as updated electronic suite. It is locally assembled in India.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.